Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X5 competition and the Dodge Durango Hellcat. We'll dive into what makes these two high-performance SUVs stand out, examining their unique blend of power, luxury, and everyday practicality. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which of these formidable machines aligns better with your driving desires and lifestyle needs. When it comes to sheer power, the Dodge Durango Hellcat is a true beast, delivering an astounding 710 horsepower from its supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8. This allows it to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The BMW X5 competition, while slightly less powerful at 617 horsepower from its 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, still achieves an impressive 0 to 60 sprint in 3.7 seconds, showcasing its formidable engineering. Inside, the BMW X5 competition emphasizes refined luxury, featuring exquisite leather, carbon fiber trim, and a sophisticated curved digital display. It offers ample cargo space, up to 72.3 cubic feet with the rear seats down. In contrast, the Durango Hellcat prioritizes family utility with 3 rows of seating and a larger maximum cargo volume of 85.1 cubic feet. Plus, it can tow an impressive 8,700 pounds, making it incredibly versatile. Considering value, the Dodge Durango Hellcat typically starts around $85,000, providing incredible horsepower and utility for its cost. The BMW X5 competition, with its more luxurious appointments and refined driving dynamics, has a starting price closer to $128,000. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize the Hellcat's brute force and family hauling capability, or the X5's sophisticated performance and premium cabin experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.